Welcome this video. Video title is Embracing Coastal Elegance. Design the preference beach foyer house be enters away. Introducing a beach house is a century of relaxation and have away the beauty of natural seamless incut wines with the comfort of home. One of the key elements that set the tone of this cast escape is the foyer enters away. This tranquility space survey as the gateway to the security that line beauty and design with a blend of functionality and style is paramount. Create a welcome atmosphere. The branch house foyer enters away is the first impression your guest receive. Make its enhance the Akil away and welcome atmosphere. This other for a light and air color pattern inspired by the ghost surrounding soft the blue big while can inflow a scene of tranquility inspire visitor to the surface side. Natural elements and textile. Introducing natural element and textile is key to capital with enhance the brand level. Consider a scene or just ring that not only add a touch of textile but also means the feel of sand branch. You can feel diplomat word or a visitor to fresh coast flower can survey as delightful as considering the foyer with the outdoor landscape lights to illuminate the right light can transforming the branch house foyer into capital interest away. Consider a statement pendile light or a demure with inspired design. Natural and embracing light is illuminate, so do not window with a lot inspire other for light survey that allowing the growing of sunlight and 15 through introducing functional sit while the branch of demure the primary attack and comfortable and functional set area in the yard allowing the guest to go out of shop or talk moment to enjoy the view. Consider inspirations by branch, the area and style chair will weather resisting provide stop and relax to tranquility from the outdoor. Conclusion. Decoration. They provide branch house for year entrance away is house. Create a seamless tranquility between the cost effect are the choosy inspired by blend functionally with cost aesthetic. You can transforming this tranquility space into a welcome and elegant introducing to your